You do push-ups every day and think you're covering your entire upper body. Newsflash, push-ups hit your chest, your shoulders, your triceps, but your back gets absolutely nothing from them. Zero. That's exactly why so many guys have a decent chest and flat, narrow shoulders from behind. You want that wide, tapered V-shape that makes your waist look smaller and your whole frame look bigger? That comes from your lats, the wing-shaped muscles running down the sides of your back, and they only grow from pulling movements, not pushing. Today, I'm giving you 3 simple moves that build real back width and thickness right in your living room. No gym, no machines required. Move number 1, the towel door row. This is your horizontal pulling move, and it builds thickness through your mid-back. Take a thick towel or a resistance band and loop it around a sturdy door frame or a solid pole at roughly chest height. Grab both ends, walk backward until there's tension on the towel, and lean back slightly with your arms extended. Now pull your elbows straight back toward your ribs, driving them behind you like you're trying to crack a walnut between your shoulder blades. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes on rows. They pull with their arms and hands, turning it into a bicep exercise instead of a back exercise. Don't do that. Think about driving your elbows back and your chest forward and let your arms just come along for the ride. Squeeze hard for a full second at the back of the movement, then return with control. Hit 3 sets of 15 reps and keep your shoulders pulled down away from your ears the entire time. Move number 2, the doorway pull-up or towel pull-down. This is your vertical pulling move, and it's the single best movement for building actual width, the part of your back that creates that V-taper look from behind. If you've got a sturdy pull-up bar or a solid horizontal beam, grab it with your hands wider than shoulder width and pull yourself straight up, driving your elbows down toward your hips rather than yanking with your arms. If you don't have a bar, loop your towel or band over the top of a door and pull it straight down toward your chest while kneeling or sitting, keeping your elbows wide and your chest lifted. The biggest mistake here is the same one from move 1, pulling with your hands instead of your elbows. Shove your shoulder down and back before every rep, and imagine you're bending the bar around your body rather than just hauling yourself up toward it. Hit 3 sets of as many controlled reps as you can, even if that's just 3 or 4 to start. Quality always beats rushed quantity here. Move number 3, the Superman Y-raise. Your lower back and rear shoulders get ignored by almost every other exercise, and that's exactly what causes the slouched, rounded posture so many of us are stuck with. Lie face down on the floor, extend your arms straight out in front of you in a Y shape, thumbs pointing toward the ceiling. Now lift your chest, arms, and legs off the ground at the same time, squeezing your lower back and rear shoulders hard at the top. Hold for 2 full seconds, then lower with control. This is not a big, jerky movement. It's small and controlled, and you should feel it burning through your entire backside within the first 10 reps. Hit 3 sets of 12 reps and resist the urge to fling your arms and legs up for extra height. The squeeze is the entire point. Here's your full game plan. Row for thickness, pull vertically for width, and finish with the Y-raise for your lower back and posture. All 3 together give you a back that's wide at the top, thick in the middle, and strong at the base, exactly what a real V-taper is built on. Add these 3 moves to your routine 2 to 3 times a week and give your back the same attention you've been giving your chest. Drop a comment and tell me which of these 3 moves is your favorite. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel so you stop skipping back day. Put the work in today. Build the back that finally matches the rest of your frame.